What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today's trade, I am up over 40 pips now. This thing is pumping lower. We're looking at EurNzd on the 15-minute time frame. So let's dive into this trade. Let me show you what I liked, what I didn't like, and exactly how I found my entry. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Austin Silver. If you're new, do me a favor, hit the red subscribe button, join the team, join the family, so you don't miss any of these live trade videos that I've been doing for you guys. I know a lot of you are taking some value out of seeing this, so I hope that not only, through my winners do you get motivated and, see the potential in trading, but I hope that you take some lessons out of this and can apply that into your own trading. So today we're going to talk about EurNzd. As you can see, I'm up 42 pips here. I've got about 10% of my original size on in this trade. I've completely taken myself out of the position to make sure that I end the day profitable. So here, if you take a look, you can see my P&L. The first position that I was in today actually got stopped. I took about a 25, 26 pip loss there on a small entry early this morning. So if we flip to the charts, you can see all morning, basically, because of the 15-minute and 1 hour time frame, I was looking to see if this was going to break to the downside. So as I'm watching, I want to pay attention to say, okay, do we see a formation that might get interesting? Do we see confirmation that we might be breaking out? The first time that we did that was at about 7:15. When that first breakout happened, I ended up getting stopped on the pullback here, back up to the 200 and the 800 EMA. You can see it actually retested that price previously here at about 5 a.m. too. So to see it bounce between these zones really didn't surprise me, because in the big picture, if we're looking at the entire day, we're actually trapped inside the Asian range, the first high and low set within the first 8 hours. So knowing that, we could see a choppy pair here today. So for me, I'm waiting to see the breakout. I'm waiting to see the breakout. I saw the first potential signal here at 7:15. I ended up getting in and getting stopped. You take the loss, but you stay focused. And this is what I was saying earlier that I want you guys to take out of this trade, is that you stay focused. So here, when it represents an entry and I can actually go to the shorter time frames and find even more confirmation of why I should be in the trade, that's when I know I should get back in, even maybe add a little bit of size, because we know that we're probably going to break out this time, and I can not only cover but end the day profitable. And that's exactly what I did here. So if I flip back to MetaTrader 4, we're starting to pull back here a little bit. As you can see, I'm only up 33 pips now, but my stop loss is locked in profit. Like I said, I'm out about 90% of this trade. You can see the P&L right here. So a really nice start to the week, coming in off the holiday weekend. I hope you guys can take a little lesson out of this, understand that you want to stay focused. Yes, I took that early loss, but again, I went into it small, just trying to test the waters to see if it was ready for me. It wasn't, but then when it told me on multiple time frames that it finally was ready, I felt more comfortable then to take the right size, to get in bigger and go make the money here on the breakout. All right, guys, it is about 11:37, as you can see right here. I'm up over 50 pips in this trade. So what I'm going to do here, take the rest of the position. That's well over 2R, almost 3R for me. So I'm going to take that small, like I said, about 10% left of that trade off. And now, if we take a look at the charts, you can see the entire trade really developed well. We know, if you watch a lot of my recaps, that I watched to see if we hold the yellow 8 EMA. We did that. It did pull back. I trusted the stop, waited. It didn't break. It tested the 200, came right back down through it, and then held the 8 EMA all the way through to over 50 pips of profit here. So a nice trade done before noon, a little bit later in the morning, but I knew that this had to shake out of that range, that Asian range, right? If we take it to the 15-minute, we knew that it was trying to shake out of the range, and once it would shake, it could probably move lower, right? That's what everything was telling us. But you have to give that time. That doesn't always happen at 5, 6, 7, 8 in the morning. A lot of the time you do need to wait on these, and then they develop nicely for you like this one did. So I hope you learned something here. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what you're thinking about the trade. If you like it, if you don't like it, I'm always down to hear it, and I'll see you guys in the next trade recap.